we are an independent developer and manufacturer of radar technology products. So we started off with radar analysis support system, our RAS product portfolio, which is essentially a set of measurement tools to measure and analyze all aspects of radar systems. We started that in the early 90s, and it took off like crazy. A lot, if not almost all radar manufacturers started using that equipment. So with that, we got to learn a lot about everybody's radar systems. And it led us to the realization that some parts of radar systems age faster than others. For instance, the receiver and processor chain, they face the earliest signs of obsolescence issues, degrading quality, etc. And that has led to the development of our NGSP, our next generation system platform, or signal processing. The NGSP platform is a modular approach to replace or upgrade the receiver and processor part of radar systems. So that's the second one, and that really took off. It finds its way in about 125 systems worldwide today. Most of them were part of what we call SLEPs, service life extension programs, or upgrades, or midlife updates, so you will. But also we have multiple of the big radar primes that you find here on the show that included in their new radar systems. So RAS and NGSP have been there RAS has been there for 30 years, NGSP for 15 years. The latest development is our new non-rotating or electronically rotating antenna platform to replace the big bulky metal structure. And then our services division have developed a drone-based platform to measure radar and CNS systems. So rather than having your certification and verification flights every so often, most of those flights can be replaced with a drone-based measurement, which really cuts down your CO2 emission, your noise. It doesn't disturb or disrupt, I should say, the operational flow on an airport. And we will have demonstrations of that here. It's called SkyRF. The SkyRF measures anything from radar, DME, VOR, ILS, PAPI lights, you name it. It's really a drone-based platform to replace not your verification or certification flights, but all your measurements and analyses in between. Our services team has expanded from Belgium to most of the European countries and the United States. So there we want to have our engineers and technicians locally, close to the customers, same culture, same language, living on the airport, so to speak. For our radar upgrades, we manage those projects from our headquarters in Belgium through partners, through systems integrators, through technology partners that each address either a certain geographical market or a certain application. So there we are a tier 2 or 1 level behind the people who do the contracts with the customers. We've expanded a lot in the last few years, so we have all of our commercial and technical people from the field here. So I think we're like 15 or 16 people here this week. The show will be a success if all of them meet their customers, their new contacts.